In this video, you'll learn how to transfer assets from Etrade to Webull. Whether you're consolidating your investments or simply exploring new trading platforms, moving your assets can seem daunting. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you through it step by step. First, you'll want to open up the Webull app and sign into your account. This is your starting point for making any transfers. Once you're logged in, head over to the main account section. You can do this by tapping the Webull logo, which acts as a shortcut to all your account options. Now that you're in the main account section, keep an eye out for the transfer option. It should be located at the top menu. This is your gateway to transferring your assets smoothly. Go ahead and tap on Transfer Assets into Webull. This will direct you to a list of supported brokers. Here, you'll want to select Etrade. It might be right there in the list. But if not, don't fret. Just use the search bar to find Etrade manually. Once you've located Etrade, you'll need to enter some key account details. This includes your Etrade account number and any other necessary account information. Make sure to double check this information for accuracy to avoid any hiccups in the transfer process. Next, you'll need to decide whether to do a full or partial transfer of your assets. If you're opting for a partial transfer, you'll have the option to select which specific assets you want to move. These can include stocks, ETFs, or mutual funds. Be sure to choose carefully based on your investment strategy and goals. Before finalizing anything, take a moment to review all the transfer details. This is a crucial step to ensure everything is correct and as you intended. Once you've confirmed all the information, agree to the terms and tap Submit Stock Transfer Request. After submitting your request, Webull will begin processing it. Keep in mind that it might take several business days for the transfer to be completed, so some patience will be required. And that's how to transfer assets from Etrade to Webull. By following these steps, you can seamlessly move your investments and continue building your portfolio on the platform of your choice. Thanks for watching and happy trading.